Greetings from Maynooth University. My name is Emelina Antonio, and I'm your International Student Ambassador. Whether you're a returning student or a first-time student, we're very excited to welcome you back here for your studies at Maynooth University. We are planning for a resumption as close as possible to a full on-campus teaching, assessment, research, club, and sports activities in September, while ensuring that overall numbers attending on-site continue to be monitored and controlled. For that reason, all the main universities and the government in Ireland have agreed on a national protocol to welcome international students safely into the country. If you're an international student coming to study at Maynooth University for the first time, a returning student, or an occasional student, a study abroad student, or an Erasmus student, then this information is for you. This is what you need for your travel. First, make sure all your travel documents are valid, including your visa, passport, and/or ID, and that you have evidence of being a Maynooth University student. Second, make sure you are checking under which arrival category you fall under, depending on your region of origin, vaccination status, or proof of having a negative COVID test. There are 3 categories: green, amber, or red. Please note that if you fall under category red, you will need to go into mandatory hotel quarantine. You can find more information about this on the Education in Ireland website and the Maynooth University International Office Before You Arrive website. Once you've booked your flights and accommodation in Ireland, you're going to need to fill out the arrivals form that the Maynooth International Office has sent you. We just need you to fill out this form to make sure that you arrive to the country safely, even if you don't plan on using the free transport provided. The Greet and Transfer service will be discussed in further detail in a separate video. If you have any questions or concerns, or just want to make sure that everything's clear, please visit the Maynooth University International Office website, maynoothuniversity.ie/international. And make sure to check your emails and your spam folders. Thanks for watching.